Having a dependable power source is crucial to what we do. If we didn't have that, we wouldn't have the success that we've had as a brand. My name is Michael Wagner. I'm the Western Region Sales Representative for Dynamax. We want to be a brand that is known for, and we are known for, exceptional value with something that is dependable and that has longevity to it. When we look at who we partner up with, we know people have saved a lot of money to buy our product, and we want to make sure that what we're going to give you is the best product that's out there that we can build. Working with a company like RVMP has been great to ensure that the product is evolving and getting better, like their change to the Mini. That was a really nice thing for us because it's a smaller footprint that was a little bit less weight. With the ISATA 3 and keeping those things in mind for our end customer is how are we going to be able to build that motorhome that's repeatable? And we found great success with RVMP. So I've been on a few trips with the ISATA 3. Took my wife and my infant daughter, we went on a trip, and I was a little bit concerned with the generator firing up if our batteries got low and waking up my infant daughter. And to my pleasant surprise and to my happiness, my daughter did not wake up and my wife didn't even notice that the generator kicked on. I like the idea of the noise level on those being pretty soft relative to other generators that you may see in the marketplace. From my perspective of camping with it, I was very happy. So one of the things with Dynamax is that we're always very customer facing. We're always, if there is an issue, we're going to tackle it head on. We've seen that with the very rare occurrences with RVMP where there was a potential issue. They hopped on it right away. They're also very close in proximity to us. They are literally right around the corner from where we are. So it makes it very easy to get service, get training, and to be able to allow us to be able to build the motorhome that we desire for our campers.